Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down or turning on airplane mode to protect the SIM and avoid signal issues. Find the narrow SIM tray on the iPhone edge. On modern models, it's on the right. Once located, insert the SIM eject tool or a straight pin into the small hole. Press straight in until the tray pops slightly. You'll feel a click. Don't force it. Pull the tool out and gently slide the tray the rest of the way with your thumb. With the tray partially ejected, use your thumb to pull it fully out. Keep it level so the micro SIM doesn't shift. Observe the SIM orientation. Gold contacts face down in most iPhones, and the cut corner aligns with the tray notch. This prevents improper seating. Carefully lift the SIM using a fingernail or a plastic tool. Avoid metal tweezers that can short contacts. Once removed, set the SIM on a clean surface and inspect the tray for dust before reinserting or swapping. To finish, place the SIM back into the tray with the gold contacts facing the correct direction and the cut corner aligned. This ensures proper connection. Slide the tray straight back into the slot until it's flush with the chassis. Don't force it, and then power the phone on. If the iPhone doesn't detect the SIM, make sure contacts are clean, reboot the device, and test the SIM in another phone. If problems persist, contact your carrier. A damaged SIM or tray may need replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.